Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is UN Food Systems Summit, Stocktake 2025. The second UN Food Systems Summit Stocktake will be held in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, from July 28th to 30th, 2025. It aims to mobilize investment for food system transformation to achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Stocktake will also produce a report recording the progress made since the previous Stocktake in 2023 and another assessment by the stakeholders. The event will also see concerted efforts to monitor commitments and outcomes within national food system pathways that help achieve SDG targets and their implementation. A series of briefings will take place in the run-up to the second Stocktake to ensure inclusive, cross-sectoral efforts and consultations. Drishti IAS is launching its IASGS Foundation Prelims plus Mains offline batch in Noida. For the English medium, the admissions are open now. For the Hindi medium, the batch begins on 21st February at 11:30 a.m. For more details, call 87501 87501. Now let's discuss about background. The 2021 UN Food Systems Summit provided an outline for a new approach to food systems, where food is at the heart of global efforts to address poverty, zero hunger, inequality, climate change, and biodiversity loss. Amid rising living costs, social inequalities, climate change, and geopolitical tensions, achieving these food system transformations has become all the more urgent. The first summit Stocktake helped identify the need for public-private community partnerships and improve private sector participation. Now, moving on to significance, it is occurring 5 years before the 2030 agenda deadline for achieving SDGs. The 2021 UN Food Systems Summit provided an outline for a new approach to food systems, where food is at the heart of global efforts to address poverty, zero hunger, inequality, climate change, and biodiversity loss. The event hosting in Ethiopia symbolizes the commitment to supporting developing nations in achieving food security. Now is the time for practice question. When was the first UN Food Systems Summit held? Option A, 2015. Option B, 2018. Option C, 2021. Or Option D, 2023. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.